Join me as I shoot a WCPPL for the first time in the van. Rule number one with owning a Mini was always park near other Minis. And I don't know if that's a Ford Transit thing or not, but just so happened where I normally park at SC Village, there was another Transit. This was the first event in a while that I showed up on a Thursday, so I had a lot of time to kill. I was planning on shooting some time lapses, but there weren't clouds, so I settled for people walking the field. As the sun set, I made my way back to the van and got settled in for the night. Van or not, the one thing I always gotta do is charge batteries and get my gear ready for the next day.
So we just got up. It's time to start getting ready. First, over. Slip to sleep for an event.
No one wants to watch me get ready, so here I am just enjoying the sunrise a little bit before I head out onto the field. The event was pretty straightforward once I was on the field. One fun thing that was new for me on top of the van was 3D printing. So I happened to chat with a lot of folks about 3D printing and some of the stuff I was making.
Howdy. Chilling. So did you sell any of the Dick 3D printers?
No one's interested in the Dick prints.
Well, what are they?
They're valve stem covers. Shout out to my girlfriend Lynn. She made me a bunch of these little sandwiches out of a sheet of King Hawaiian roll. Oh, they came in handy. I don't normally take pictures of kids, but this is the first time I saw my friend with her boy. So I figured I'd stop, take some pictures while I was on my way to the field. And then, of course, Dad had to come in and help get his attention. That's okay. I can block them out.
Yeah, because I had to work Wednesday morning. I could
probably drop him a little.
Obviously, down to Thursday, Friday, free.
Michael, ask them behind you.
And
They'll
then
move for a sec.
they took me the job. I'm like, I seen it. Hello?
No, I got that guy's head. Hold on, they're going. They're not going.
It's not that bad. Sweet.
I'm good.
I got it too.
Yeah.
Whatever project you give me for a day, if I finish early, I can go home.
Once my day was over, I made my way back to the van and geared down. One thing I like about the van is the Ford app. I can actually start the van and more importantly, unlock it from my phone so I don't have to deal with the keys that are in my backpack right now. After gearing down, it was time to start working for the night, or daytime still, I guess. The next morning started with some water a buddy of mine gave me. It's actually pretty good.
Or you're good, whatever works better. Look for the shot to the next. Probably deep. Triangle deep, triangle deep, triangle deep, triangle deep. Play, bro. Didn't play. Alright, now you're doing your shit. Hey.
Another break, another sandwich. Another day down. Now we gear down and get ready for another night in the van. One thing I'm learning real fast is how dirty the van gets while I'm shooting, carrying paint and shell and dirt and stuff inside. The steps always get covered in gunk because of the bottom of my shoes. Shout out to Wolfbox. This little blower thing has come in handy a bunch. Now I'm using it to clean the van.
You have a pack.
Mr. Bryce.
I gotta see this van.
I like it. It's not like set up or anything.
Oh, okay, just a mattress in there.
Yeah, I literally just tossed a fucking air mattress in it. I've got a camping chair.
Dude, there's a ton of space in there.
Yeah, I can literally stand up.
I know, yeah, I saw the video. That's insane. Good shit. Hell of an upgrade.
Yeah. I think Lynn and Rambo are gonna like it.
Have they not seen it yet?
Lynn has gotten in it.
Okay.
Rambo has not. He's just. I started to do some work when I heard some friends off in the distance and felt like messing with them. Y'all want some 3D prints? I got some candy in here.
No fucking way. The funny thing is my mom's just lost hers. It'd be so funny if I just put that one on her.
Oh my god,
Be like, gotcha!
That's not the one. I don't think the mom's the one you want to prank.
I know,
with
it'd be
that.
funny. You're like, ha!
We need the bananas, dude. That's so amazing.
You guys want some to go ahead, grab.
Can I just get one? Or are they all coming for us?
No, it don't matter.
Wait, did they actually screw on or no?
Yeah. I got some. I got the bananas on my right now.
Okay, I'll put one on my new trip.
Wait, are these?
After the 3D printing talk, it was time to eat dinner and watch some TV while my photos dump onto my laptop. If you wonder how I'm watching TV and whatnot from the van, here it is. I got Starlink, I 3D printed a housing and got some magnets.
Forgot about the time change. It's barely light outside, and I got a game in like 10 minutes to shoot, so I gotta go.
The last day is technically done for me, so I'm going to go ahead and gear down and break down as much of the van as I can, and then go shoot podiums.
What's your smell? There's some good smells.
And this we end my first event, staying in the van. Hope you enjoyed it.
Love you guys, thank you!